Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best floor mats for Chevy Silverados on Amazon. Most truck owners rely on a good set of floor mats to trap dirt and grime so it doesn't spread into other areas of the interior cabin. The best Chevy Silverado floor mats fit tightly against the floor and are easy to clean. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lasfit Floor Mats Fit for 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The Lasfit floor mats are compatible with 2019 to 2022 Silverado 1500 and 2020 to 2022 Silverado 2500 HD 3500 HD crew cabs. They provide full, custom coverage with the aid of 3D laser technology. They are firm yet flexible and will maintain their shape over time. The raised lips on the edges contain dirt, mud, snow, and liquids. Made of thermoplastic elastomer (TPE), these mats are skid-proof, recyclable, simple to install, and easy to clean. They are comparable to WeatherTech and Husky liners, however, they are a bit less expensive, making them an attractive alternative. It can be hard to tell the difference between these mats and the more well-known brands because they perform just as well. What we like about it: 3D laser technology. Firm yet flexible. Simple to install. Comparable to more expensive brands. What we don't like about it: may move around a little. Only available in black. Number 2. Edro Floor Mats for 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Edro floor mats fit the 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 crew cab with first-row bucket seating, and there are other options available for other model years. As with the other picks on this list, check compatibility before ordering. The set includes 2 floor mats for the front and 1 floor liner for the rear. The company uses laser scans for a precise fit. These TPE tri-extruded mats are odorless and do not include harmful PVCs. They are designed to protect a truck's carpeted floor from getting soaked and dirty due to rain, snow, or mud. They are easy to clean, anti-slip, wear-resistant, and flexible, even when the mercury drops. What we like about it: easy to clean. Wear-resistant. Effectively traps dirt and debris. Precise fit. What we don't like about it: only available in black. Number 3. Max Liner Floor Mats 2-Row Liner Set. If you own a 2001 to 2007 Silverado 1500, 2500, or 3500 extended cab with the classic body style, these front and rear mats are a good pick. They're a less expensive alternative to WeatherTech and other rubberized versions. While they may not fit quite as perfectly as WeatherTech mats, they're pretty darn close. The all-weather Max Liner mats are custom molded to protect the carpet and floorboard and have raised lips to contain dirt and debris. They are odorless and feature a skid-resistant surface that is easy to clean. They're also rigid, which makes them easy to remove to shake out and clean with soap and water or with a hose. Overall, they are a durable, high-quality option and are backed by a lifetime warranty. What we like about it: less expensive than premium brands. Good coverage. Easy to clean. Lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it: only fit specific models. More slippery than rival brands. Number 4. Smart Liner Floor Mats First Row Liner. If you're environmentally conscious, budget-minded, and only looking for mats for the front of your truck, this option from Smart Liner may do the job. They're designed specifically for 1999 to 2007 Silverado 1500, 2500, and 3500 models with the classic body style, using scanning technology for a custom fit. They are odorless, skid-resistant, stain-resistant, and made with a 100% recyclable blend of plastic, rubber, and polyethylene. The all-season mats have raised lips that protect the footwells from accumulating dirt, sand, snow, and mud. You can easily clean these mats with a hose or soap and water. What we like about it: skid and stain-resistant. 100% recyclable materials. All-weather protection. Good value. What we don't like about it: rear mats must be purchased separately. Not as high quality as premium options. Number 5. WeatherTech Custom Fit Floor Liner for Chevrolet Silverado. The name WeatherTech is synonymous with floor mats for a good reason. They're just that good. They do an excellent job of containing dirt, rain, snow, and mud. These custom-fit floor liners for Chevrolet Silverado crew cabs cover the first and second row and are available in 4 colors. They are designed for 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s and 2015 to 2019 Silverado 2500-3500 models with carpeted floors. These American-made mats are created using laser technology for a near-perfect fit. They have high edges to trap liquids to prevent them from spilling onto the floor. What we like about it: custom fit. High edges trap liquids. Easy to install. High quality and durable. What we don't like about it: pricey. Will not fit models with vinyl floors and other features. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.